Benin has raised the $1 billion through two separate operations on international markets. It issued a $500 million international bond with a final maturity of 16 years that carries a coupon of 6.48%. This was made possible through dollar-euro hedging covering the full amount. Demand was strong, with the order book reaching £3.5 billion. Benin also concluded a €500 million international loan with Deutsche Bank, with a final maturity of 15 years and an interest rate equivalent to 6%, including guarantee fees. Authorities say the funds will contribute to meeting the country's financing needs, estimated at 1.2 trillion CFA francs, including domestic and regional borrowing.
It must be said that for several years now, Benin has been characterized by political stability, and when there is political stability, investors feel comfortable coming to invest in such a country. This explains why Benin does not often encounter difficulties when it enters the financial market. Another thing is that Benin has undertaken structural reforms to streamline the tax administration. And when we talk about streamlining the tax administration, that is what investors are looking for. They are looking for a place to invest with a return.
The government says the success of the operations reflects its ability to mobilize financing for projects under its government action program.
It should be noted that Benin has been making an effort to meet its commitments on the market for several years now. When Benin borrows on the market, it tries to honor its commitments, and that is what investors like most. A true test is one that has no difficulty in honoring its commitments on the national, international, and regional markets, and that is why in recent years, Benin has often had difficulty in the market in raising funds to attract investors.
Officials say Benin is seeking to strengthen its industrial base and attract more investment.
I think that to become the Singapore of Africa, Benin will have to redouble its efforts to strengthen the entrepreneurial system, further refine the economic entrepreneurial ecosystem, and raise the level of initialization. It's true that we have already made a start and are already at a fairly good level with the establishment of the Glo-Jibe Industrial Zone with the support of the Benin Chamber of Commerce and Industry and the Small and Medium-Sized Enterprise Development Agency. We already have the necessary tools for this, but it will take a lot of time and sacrifice to get there.
Benin's finance minister says public debt stands at 53.7% of GDP and that budget deficit remains under control. Ian Kinyo, CGTN.